What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick review of the Outback Jack cat playhouse, well, cat and small animal playhouse. In this review I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this little playhouse, including one thing I think that you should know before buying. So first off, why did we get this? We got this mainly because our cat is very timid about going outside. She just doesn't like to do it very often, and we figured, hey, you know what, let's try to get her something that'll make her feel more comfortable. And I can happily say that this has done the job. I don't know what it is, you know, mentally she's just worried about it, but when she gets in this thing, she's okay with it, probably because it's covered and she just feels a lot more comfortable in it. So things to know about it. So first off, it is obviously like a mesh material here. It is well built. I was actually surprised at how well it is built. I didn't know what to really expect when I got the thing, but it actually does a good job and really has maintained its, you know, like shape and everything for quite some time now. This will collapse, obviously we can collapse it down, but it'll come in two different bags, which are right over here. So one bag will fit this one bag will fit this component. So there's two different components to it. And as you can see, obviously there's the space for the cat to enter right there and then get into this big spot here. There are these, I guess you could call them covers, that will zip up and close that if you just want to use the tent, kind of right there. If you just want to use a tent, or if you just want to use a tunnel, which would be kind of weird, but you could do that in theory if you wanted to. Now, some other things to know, and I haven't had to deal with this much, but as you can see, there are places for stakes. So if you live in a really like windy area, you can put stakes into the ground. We haven't had to deal with that so much, but I know that it's possible. In addition to that, they have these little bags right here. These can be used as weight bags as well, just to make it so that the thing doesn't shift a lot if you want to do that. Now, in terms of collapsing this, because this one is really easy, right? You'll just basically grab it from either end, right, and pull it together. And then they have these little straps here that you can use right here to kind of tie it up so that it's, you know, just really, really small and compact. This one is a little bit different, but it's really not all that hard. Basically what you do is you press this and this at the same time, and then it will collapse one side, and then you just do it on the other side. So I'll show you here real quick. All right, so you can see I just pushed in there and in there, and it will collapse on this one side, right? And then I'm just gonna take that out and push it on the other side, and it'll become a lot more compact. So when you compact it down properly, this will fit right into this bag here, and then the other side of it will fit into this bag here. So there it is, guys. When you do it properly, that is how you can put them into these two little bags, store them wherever you'd like. Obviously they close with Velcro there. I gotta close that one, but yeah, our cat really likes this and really enjoys it, especially out in these summer days. And we just, you know, it's nice because we know she's protected as well and feels more comfortable. So if you're considering buying them, we definitely recommend them, and don't think that you'll be disappointed.